In today's video, we are going to make healthy breakfast recipe which is rich in iron and protein and perfect for kids. So welcome to the Sanam's kitchen. Great vegetarian recipes and new recipes every week. Let's start the recipe. So we're going to start with half cup of chopped spinach, half cup of mung sprouts. These are really healthy. And this is optional, but I have coconut grated, fresh, or you can use the powder, and then ginger and green chili paste. Now we are going to add a little bit of water and blend this into a puree. So here our puree is done, and look how vibrant, colorful it is. Now we are going to add half cup of semolina or suji and quarter cup of rice flour, and then 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make sure it's not too sour. Salt as per taste. Roasted cumin powder. Now mix everything well, and we are going to add water as needed to make batter. So I have added almost more than half cup of water to make this batter, and we are going to make the batter like a dosa consistency. तो थोड़ा पतला होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल इस तरह से. चेक द कंसिस्टेंसी, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही कंसिस्टेंसी होनी चाहिए. Let's heat the griddle or tawa, and I'm going to sprinkle some water to bring the temperature down a little bit, and then spread the batter like this. It's very simple, बहुत ही आसान है. जैसे डोसा बनाते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही बनाना है. और उस पर थोड़ा सा बटर लगा लेंगे. अप्लाई सम बटर, और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ घी. And when it is slightly cooked, just flip it over. It's nice and golden brown. बहुत ही क्रिस्पी और बहुत ही टेस्टी ब्रेकफास्ट है. बहुत ही हेल्दी है, स्पेशली उन बच्चों के लिए जो पालक खाना पसंद करते हैं. उनको इस तरह से पालक खिलाई जा सकती है. So our mung sprout and spinach dosa is ready. Serve with your favorite sauce or chutney. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.